Okay. So I originally bought this to maybe take the motor out and put it in the Camaro, but the frame is just so nice. Like I don't know, let me show it to you. Like the mounts are still good. I mean, in the Northeast, they don't look like that anymore. This is an 04. So I looked up the VIN number on whatever bumper, that scam website, and said it wasn't an accident in 2004 or 2005, I guess, in Massachusetts. So I'm surprised that it's been up here this whole time, which I guess makes sense because this fender is all, I don't know, screwed up. I mean, I can't imagine it's been like that. Probably was fixed correctly back then. But, and I mean, all these plastics were removed, which probably helped it not rust away. Like the rockers are, like, they're starting to rust, but I mean, that's pretty good for 20 years old up here. I mean, my Tahoes were gone 5 years ago. It's a year newer. So the only thing I'm worried about with this car is it has a alright, so first of all, let's back up. The cluster, I was told, was swapped out. And it has this. I've never seen that before, but anyways, it was swapped out apparently because the title of this car has 160 something thousand, and this it won't, I don't know how to get it to say it, but it does say like 200 something. So, and the previous owner said that the cluster was swapped out. So my guess is it stopped working and they just swapped it out like that, which I don't know, they do stop working, but usually you get it fixed, you don't swap it out. So I don't know. So there's that issue. It smells horrible in here. I gotta deep clean it. It's like slobs owned it. And the main thing I'm worried about is it reads low oil pressure. It sounds really good, but the computer the gauge has low oil pressure, but I mean, I don't hear anything out of the ordinary. So maybe it's an oil pump, or the O-ring goes bad in these, right? So all right, so if we're gonna save this thing, come on, I had to get some masks. Oh my god, just drop everything. So if we're gonna save this thing, I gotta get all this trash out. Let's see what we're working with here. The seats are all, how would the passenger seats be ripped? Like, what kind of slob owned this car, honestly? Absolute slob, dude. The back seats are ripped. So I got a barrel nearby. It's all going in the trash. Ugh. I'm definitely wearing a mask, dude. This car smells so bad. So it's getting to the point of the year where it's cold out every day. Today it got really warm. It was like 43. So I'm gonna do my best to work on this. I can't get it in the garage right now, so not that I have heat in the garage, but All right. For future reference, if you need this many air fresheners, the car needs to be cleaned deeply. Alright, I'm just gonna do a quick wipe now. This is mostly just so I can get in it and not like want to be sick immediately. Okay, here I am under it. So I just wanted to have a look at the oil pan. To see if there's any, well, that's not the right oil filter, first of all. That's terrible. Ugh. I don't think it's the right one. Hey, look, I found another one. So if anyone has any input on the oil pressure, let me know. That would be great. I mean, could the wrong filter be causing a drastic oil pressure drop? Like the light comes on when it gets warm. So that's why I was thinking the O-ring. But if I can get that fixed, we'll put this thing back together. Maybe I'll make a few junkyard trips. Like, that's extremely stupid.